Almost 50 years ago, we at EICHLER started with a clear mission: to repair things instead of throwing them away. Today, we are part of the WISAG Group and are renowned as the experts for repairing industrial electronics thanks to our expertise, passion and experience. At our service center in Pergen, we repair more than 30,000 devices every year, working down to the level of the smallest component, including HMI operating devices, PLC-Assemblies, drive technology and robotics. Because we know that repairing is more sustainable than buying new, saving carbon dioxide and costs equally. With our EICHLER Life Cycle Management Service, we closely examine your electronic components, analyze their condition, and accurately assess the overall risk. We then develop a customized supply strategy to ensure everything continues to run smoothly. A machine breakdown is a serious issue. Quick assistance is of the utmost importance. Calling our emergency hotline could solve the problem. We stock several thousand function-tested spare parts, all covered by up to 36 months warranty, letting you maintain your production independently of component discontinuations. In our nationwide somatic training courses and our seminars on life cycle and obsolescence management, you will learn all about the most recent technical developments and standards. We are passionate. We are your partner. We are EICHLER.